Let us take some more question on laws of exponent. We will simplify this. 25 raised to 3 by 2, 243 raised to 3 upon 5 divided by 16 raised to 5 by 4 into 8 raised to 4 by 3. Now 25 can be written as the square of 5. 243 can be written as 3 raised to 5. 16 can be written as 2 raised to 4. And 8 can be written as 2 cube. Now we'll be using this law of exponent that x raised to m raised to n is equals to x raised to m into n. So 5 raised to 2 into 3 upon 2, this will cancel. 3 raised to 5 into 3 upon 5, this will cancel. Then 2 raised to 4 into 5 upon 4, this will cancel, into 2 raised to 3 into 4 upon 3, this will cancel. So now what we are having, 5 raised to 3 into 3 raised to 3, then we have 2 raised to 5 and here 2 raised to 4. Now let us solve this. This is 5 raised to 3 is 125. 3 raised to 3 is 27, 2 raised to 5 is 32 and 2 raised to 4 is 16. So when we multiply 125 into 27, that will make it 3375 and 32 into 16 is 512. This is the simplification of this. Let us take one more question on law of exponent, that is simplify. Now in this you can see here we will be using this property 1 upon a raised to minus m is equals to a raised to m. So we will write 4 into 1 upon 216 raised to minus 2 by 3 plus 1 upon 256 raised to minus 3 upon 4 plus 2 into 1 upon 243 raised to minus 1 upon 5. Now we will use 1 upon a raised to minus m is equals to a raised to m. So this is 1 upon 216 minus 2 upon 3. This property we are using. So we will get the 4 into 216 raised to 2 by 3 plus 256 raised to 3 by 4 plus 2 into 243 raised to 1 by 5 using this law of exponent. Now 216 can be written as 6 cube 2 upon 3 plus this is 4 raised to 4 3 upon 4 plus 2 into this is 3 raised to 5 raised to 1 upon 5. 3 raised to 5 is 243. Now let us solve this. 4 into 6, 3 into 2 upon 3. We are using this property and that is equals to a m into n. So we are multiplying here. So this will cancel. So this will become 2. This is 4 raised to 4 into 3 upon 4. This 4 and 4 will cancel. 2 into 3 raised to 5 into 1 upon 5. This will also cancel. Now this is 4 into 6 square. Here it is 4 raised to 3. And here it is 2 into 3. 6 square is 36. 36 4 ja 144. 4 cube is 64. And 2 3 ja 6. When we will add all of them together, we will get the answer. So this is 214 is the simplification of this part.